How long are you guys going to allow fictional characters run your entire family? You are allowing Spider-Man, Batman, Superman, fictional characters run your entire family, your own blood. Your kids would rather listen to Spider-Man speak than taking advice from you. You're failing your own family. As head of the family, you're supposed to be exceptional enough. You're supposed to become impressive enough so that when you speak, your kids would rather take an advice from you than a stranger, than a fictional character who doesn't even exist. You are failing the family. Being head of the family doesn't mean you're special. It simply means you are responsible. You are leading the family. You are no longer doing things out of your feelings. You don't feel like it. No, that's not leadership. As a leader, you're doing things for them now, for the generation after you. You're doing things for the people that you are leading, your children, your wife. They're supposed to, you are head of the family. Now you have to think outside of your selfish self. It's no longer about your feelings. It's no longer about your little ego. Listen, in this video, I'm going to be as blunt as possible as I can be. I'm not running for office, so I'm going to be stepping on some toes. I'm not running for office, so I'm not going to be politically correct. If you got all in your feelings, all in the comment section below. If you're one of the sensitive, soy boy cupcakes, just click off this video and go mind your own business. I'm here for real men. I'm here for men. As a man, we all can agree that we are not supposed to look like pregnant women. We are not supposed to have big bellies like we are pregnant. We are not supposed to have cones and titties. No, as a man, you're supposed to become exceptional, impressive, get a skill, master something, become a master of something instead of just jacking off and watching porn in secret. Become a master of your craft, get a skill, discover your purpose, and do what you're supposed to be doing. We can all agree as men we are called for greatness. That's the only way your family is going to follow you. That's the only way you're going to be the leader of your family. That's the only way you're going to have impact and more influence than Spider-Man, Batman, Superman, fictional characters, fake characters. They are ruining your life. They are ruining your family because they spend more time with your own kids. Imagine your own blood would rather listen to a stranger than you. How come are you allowing them? How come are you allowing a stranger to come into your house and have more influence than you and have more to say to your kids than you? Your kids would rather listen to Spider-Man than your boring ass self. Kids will only listen to you if you have what they want. The cool stuff, you have to get all the cool stuff in order for your kids to take you seriously. You have to become impressive enough so that your family can take you seriously as a leader. If you don't even listen to yourself, if you don't even, like, your body disobeys you, how come you cannot make your body submit to you and you expect the people that you are leading to follow you? You're supposed to change your body, create the individual that you admire, make sure your body submits under you, make sure your body listens to you. What do I mean? You create the best version of yourself. You become the best version of yourself, which is working out, which is working on your mental capacity, which is working on your craft, which is becoming better at each and everything that you do. You're supposed to become a master of it. You're supposed to strive for perfection. That's what it is. As men, we are called for greatness. Become exceptional, guys. You cannot allow fictional characters to ruin your family anymore. It has to stop. It has to stop. How come you as a father, you as head of the family, you don't have influence over your children? You don't have influence over your own family, your own blood. They would rather take an advice from a stranger they will never even meet. Spider-Man, Batman, get out of here. You guys, you have to take life seriously. Social media has ruined a lot of good things, but it's not social media. We're just becoming soft. We're just becoming lazy. And we are accepting mediocrity. It's supposed to be a crime. Mediocrity is supposed to be a crime. How come you're allowing this to happen to you? Are you good with that? You guys are not angry enough. That's what it is. That's what it is. We are called for greatness. As men, we are leaders. Being head of the family doesn't mean you're special. It simply means You are the leader. You are leading the family. You are not doing things out of your feelings. You are doing things because you are supposed to. Because you understand that you are at the front of the family. You understand that you are now responsible for the people who are coming after you, for the people that you are leading. That's what it is. So being head, most people think, oh, I'm the head, so I'm gonna, have pretty privileges. I can kick my feet up and just demand this out of it. No, guys. You have to lead yourself first so that you can lead others. That's what it is. You cannot just expect your own family to follow you into oblivion. They are going to look up to people who are impressive, which is Spider-Man, Batman, fictional characters. You have to, that's your competition. You have to become good enough to beat Spider-Man, Batman, Superman, fictional characters. Stop watching other people's movies while they are winning and create your own movie and start winning. Stop kicking your feet up Netflix and chill while you're watching people winning. Create your own movie. Become the best version of yourself so that your family will listen to you, so that your family will follow you, instead of fictional fake characters that they will never even meet and they are ruining your family. That's what it is. I love you guys and I'm not even angry. I'm just intense. I'm passionate about this. This is how much I love you guys. You can just see it out of my, this is how much I love you guys. I'm doing this for the betterment of humanity. That's what it is. You have to open up your eyes. You have to be cognizant of what's going on around you. That's what it is. If you see something out of character in your family, it's because you are allowing Spider-Man to come there and have more influence, more impact than you. Whatever you say as head supposed to go. Whatever you say supposed to be the law, the rule. That's what it is. But you're not impressive enough. That's why your kids would rather listen to Spider-Man than you. That's what it is. I'm out of here, you guys. Let's go!